Now let us solve this question here. If a belongs to integer here and a की power 4 plus a square plus 1 is prime, the number of possible values of a here is. If we solve this part, a की power 4 plus a square plus 1, that will become equal to a square plus a plus 1, and here a square minus a plus 1. And it is said in the question here a belongs to integer and the multiplication of that part will become here is prime. So we can say here two cases will arise. Here I1 is also, this part is also will be integer and this part will also be integer only, because integer ka square plus integer plus 1 will be integer only, and here also integer square minus integer plus 1 also be integer. So we can write two cases will arrive. We can say the multiplication of two number can be prime only when one number is prime and the other number is equal to 1. So we can say case 1 will belong to here a square when a square plus a plus 1 is equal to 0, or sorry, this is equal to 1, or a square minus a plus 1 is prime. तो अगर ये प्राइम हो गया तो इससे तो हमारा कोई मतलब नहीं है, इससे हम ए की वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं. तो ए की वैल्यू यहाँ से हो जाएगी a square plus 1 will be cancel out. A square plus a will become 0 here. On taking a as common, it will become a plus 1 equal to 0. A is equal to 0 or a is equal to minus 1 here. From that we can write a is equal to 0 or a is equal to minus 1. And if this is equal to 0, we will put the value in this part to check whether it is, on calculating whether it is prime or not. So on putting a is equal to 0, here a की power 4 plus a square plus 1 will become as 0 plus 0 1 only, and 1 is not prime, hence we can say a is equal to 0 is not valid. And if we put a is equal to minus 1 here, that will become 1 plus 1 as 3, and 3 is prime here, and 3 is prime, hence we can say that this is valid here. From that we can write a is equal to minus 1, and the case second which arises from that only is a square plus a plus 1 is prime this time, or a square minus a plus 1 is equal to 1. So this will be cancelled out. On taking a as common, a minus 1 is equal to 0. So here a will be 0 or a is equal to 1. On putting the value a is equal to 0, again we will get 1. That is not prime here. Sorry, this is not prime here. Hence it is not valid, and it is valid. If we put a is equal to 0 in the equation, that will again become 1, hence a1 is not prime. So we can say a is equal to 0, here also it will be not valid, and if we put a is equal to 1, that will become 1 plus 1 plus 1, hence 3 is prime. From there we can write a is equal to 1 is valid, means the number of solutions of the possible value of a will be 2. A can be minus 1 or 1, hence number of solutions in this question will be 2. Option number C is the right answer, and this is the solution of this question.